Okay, guys. Crouch. Wait.
Okay.
Follow me. Don't laugh. Okay, this is the BBC Wildlife Report. As you see, the 173rd strange, weird soldier on position to fire. Hello, little fella. Hello.
I'm gonna jam my thumb up his bumhole.
Oh my god.
What are y'all doing? We're
My duck walked in.
we're waiting for David Attenborough to arrive.
Yeah.
Who?
Said David Attenborough.
There's a guy named David coming?
David Attenborough is that guy who does the voice or the narration for all the wildlife documentaries.
Okay, wait up. I'm gonna start my first contact with this wildlife species.
What?
Oh,
Oh god.
jeez.
Oh no. Oh,
Jesus
that's
Christ.
awesome.
I'm moving back. Screw this.
Right, I think I'm dead even from here.
Trust me. Go back.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. No, it's not fine.
It's a bit close.
What the hell did you put down there?
A satchel.
It's like
I
a
forgot it
satchel,
was
yeah.
supposed to be explosive satchel. No, it's a satchel. Sorry. Okay.
Behind this bunker.
Sergeant Major, can we get up on the podium and watch overhead?
Well, that's a good idea. Imagine if she's like one of the Amazon trees and we're like somewhere in a jungle.
Oh, this is perfect. Getting like a prone, go third person. It's gorgeous. He's gonna go boom.
I'm gonna try to spook the species.
I hope he comes back soon.
Yeah.
Hello, little fella. Hello, little fella.
What the fuck?
He just reloads.
Wow, that was beautiful.
That was majestic.
Okay, let's go do 18.